In this video, I'm going to share with you why I feel the assault bike is the best piece of cardio equipment you can buy if you want something at home. My name is Vishantdave. I'm a full-time independent personal trainer. One of the most asked questions that I get goes like this. Client, Vishant, I'm looking to get a piece of cardio equipment for home. What do you recommend? Trainer, you're gonna have a love-hate relationship with it, but I recommend the assault bike. The assault bike is super hard, but I'm gonna share with you guys a few reasons why I think you should consider it as the best piece of equipment you can buy for home gym. Firstly, the assault bike is very conservative in the amount of space that it takes up, as you guys can see. Also, it's extremely easy to move around. There are wheels on the front of the assault bike, and there's a handle on the back that's very easy to pick up and maneuver. As you can see, all I gotta do is slide it back, roll it forward. I can pivot and turn with it, holding it with one hand. Perfect for any home gym setup, whether it's inside of a room, an office, a garage. Another reason that I absolutely love the assault bike, because unlike a lot of other pieces of cardio equipment, the assault bike works both upper body and lower body. It's gonna be extremely beneficial because it allows you to burn more calories, expend more energy. This can be called an Airdyne bike. This is Rogue's version, the Echo bike. Another reason that I absolutely love the assault bike is because there's no ground force impact on your joints. Unlike running, every time you're making contact with that ground, you're putting stress on your joints, on your body, your knees, your ankles, your hips, your low back. There's no impact from your joints on anything on this movement. It's very smooth, it's very controlled. A lot of people ask me, well, what about a rower? I think a rower is a great tool as well. However, a lot of people that I work with are general population clients, so posture for them is not always the best. Sometimes they have that rounded posture. Putting them in a rower, compounding that and putting them in that rounded posture, I personally don't like to do. Hence, when you're riding a bike, you can sit very upright. Even if you have a poor posture, you can work to sit up nice and upright. It doesn't put any stress on your low back at all doing this. Lastly, I love to do high intensity interval training, HIIT training. And if you don't know what HIIT training is, I'll link a video that I've previously done in the description. This comes with preset tabs that you can use. Interval training, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. It has a button for 10 seconds on, 20 seconds off, but it also has a custom button. So you can customize if you do HIIT training on this bike. Also, I love this bike is because it's very inexpensive compared to elliptical, compared to rowers. This bike is $699 at Rogue. It comes with free shipping. The ease of assembly is super easy. So not only is it cost efficient, doesn't take up a lot of space, you can do HIIT training on this, which again is my preferred method of training for muscle retention and fat loss and quick, efficient cardio. This meets all your needs. That's why I feel it's the #1 piece of equipment that if any client ever asks me, Vishant, what should I get? Or if any person ever asks me, Vishant, what do you recommend for something at home? This is it. Question for you, what is your favorite piece of equipment for cardio? Leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and found value in it. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Any comments you guys have, please leave it below in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you and answer any questions that you may have. Last tip, no matter what you think is the best piece of cardio equipment, if you don't use it, nothing works. So work it so you can get work.